You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the WAVER. You already know we back again, man. Back with another banger. Y'all know what today is. If you don't know what today is the day where we really come out this rag, man. Simple as that. Show y'all the waves real quick. Feel me? I'm gonna show y'all what I basically do to basically get my hair to this level. Basically showing y'all how to become an elite waver. So what basically steps you have to take to become an elite waver, man, is by one, brushing in that mirror. You gotta have a mirror. You've gotta have a mirror. If you're not brushing in the mirror, you're not gonna break forks to become that elite waver. You don't become elite until your crown is locked in, until your you have down to what, 1 or 2 forks or 3 forks. You're not elite unless you have 3 forks or less. You gotta keep going, bro. You gotta keep grinding. You got to, no matter through thick and thin. You gotta keep grinding, man. So another thing you gotta have is you gotta have multiple brushes. Not saying the multiple brushes will make you elite. I'm saying if you have a curved brush, a regular straight brush, a 9-row brush, 8-row brush, different brushes will do different things to your head. So that's why it's good to have multiple brushes to, you feel me, better your waves and make that next step to having a quality brush to get your waves to that next level, you feel me? Not saying this is the only thing that's going to make you elite, is the brushes and combing and brushing in that mirror and just overall getting connections in, man. And another secret that I think that really works is one of these, man. And y'all see I got 2 of them bad boys. I got a whole little case right here, man. You feel me? Y'all gotta have some type of, I'm telling you. And as far as product, that's optional. You know, I got oils, I got PB Goat drip butter, I got moisturizer, I got all different things, man. But products don't get you waves. What's gonna get you waves is that brush, that mirror, in that mirror brushing, you feel me? And laying your hair down with that plastic bag, you know. Also having a hard, medium, and a soft brush. If you don't own those in your collection, you need to re-get them, or either get them if you don't have them, if you ain't already had them. You feel me? Like me, I need a whole new set. I just need a whole new set. So that's coming soon. And it's good to re-up on brushes every once in a while and create your own wash brush, create your own wash do-rag, have a whole wash selection. That's just something wholly, totally different. You feel me? Like have your own, you know, wash brush, wash do-rag, then have do-rags that you wear, have silkies. You need to start off with a silky. If you want to become elite or have fast progress, you need to start off with a silky, man. That's how your waves gonna just lock in. Because if you start off with a velvet or a polyester, that's how your waves gonna look. You start off with a silky, what your waves gonna look like? Silky. You feel me? So those essentials are good to have. Also, another good essential is good to have is a comb, man. You gotta have a comb. You gotta have one of these. Now, if y'all probably wondering what the hell is this? Well, this right here I use for the crown. Y'all can go check that video out. Link down will be in the description below. You know, and also where to get it from. You feel me? That's another essential that you pretty much need to become an elite waver. And just pretty much overall, bro, you won't become, it don't matter what products, how many products you buy, it don't matter how many brushes you buy, it don't matter how many mirrors you buy, you won't become elite unless you put in that hard work, dedication, like Jeezy say, that willing to keep going when the tough get tough, and all that he said, bro. Y'all know what he said because I know y'all watch him. You feel me? You gotta just, you feel me? It's hard work and dedication, bro. This waving stuff is a lifestyle. It's not a hobby. This is not something you do on the weekends, bro. It's not something you do when you feel like it. This is something you do every day, bro. This is something that you live with. This is something you live with. You could die by this. I want to live and die waver. That's my goal. I want to live and die waver, bro. I'm gonna be a waver for the rest of my life. On everything, bro. You gotta live for this, bro. This gotta be your lifestyle. This gotta be your everyday, bro. Your wake up, like brushing your teeth. You're brushing your waking up, taking off that do-rag, brushing your teeth and getting a brush session in, that needs to go in everyday life like a routine pattern, man. Just like a morning method and a night method right before you go to sleep, bro. Just like the people that brush their teeth before they go to sleep, you need to be brushing before you go to sleep. You feel me? You eat lunch, it's the same as eating, bro. This is a lifestyle, bro. This is like going to the gym, except for you're going to the mirror and brushing, bro. You still gonna get a little bit of muscles because you're moving that arm, but I'm telling you, it's like going to the gym, bro. This is a lifetime membership, bro. This is something that you gonna have with you for life, forever. I'm telling you, if you want your waves to be anywhere near my level, or anywhere near any of the elites levels, I don't know. Some people say I'm elite. Some people say this. Some people say that. I'ma just let the waves speak for themselves. Some people say I'm elite already. You know, it's everybody's personal opinion. Me personally, I don't feel like my waves is there yet. I want to be to that level that I feel comfortable with, and I feel like that I'm not there yet. I still have, you know, things that I need to do to better my waves, to connect my connections, to better my crown, to get to that certain level. But to some of y'all say I'm elite, so I'm not gonna be cocky and sit here and be like, yeah, I'm elite, because I don't feel like I'm to that level yet. I don't feel like I'm stamped in the game yet. So once I feel like I'm stamped in the game and I'm to that level, bro, then I can consider myself an elite waver or somebody who's up into that higher level. Even when I'm at that higher level, I'm still not gonna, I might say, yeah, I'm an elite waver, y'all might say it, but personally, I'ma still feel like I'm not elite yet. Even though I am elite, I'ma feel like I'm not elite yet. So when y'all get to that elite level, like I am now, you feel me? Y'all gonna know. Feel me? I need a cut right now, but come on now. It's your boy Rico the Waver, man. And that's just some essentials y'all just need to pick up, bro. Like, it's hard work and dedication out here in this wave game, bro. Like, if you don't have that willing to keep going, when the tough gets tough, I know I keep saying this, but this is dead ass serious, bro. I done been in y'all shoes. I done been depressed. I done been low down. I done been times where I said F the waves. I done been times where I said F YouTube. It done been times where I said, you know what, forget it all. I'm doing me. I'm working. I'm finna go do this. I don't care about you. I'm finna go do that. But no, bro, this is a lifestyle. You have to get up and grind every day, bro. I don't care if you grind to the last minute before you have to go somewhere. You get up and you do that, bro. You drop every day. You keep grinding. It's possible you can drop every day. All you have to do is literally, say today I work a regular 9 to 5, let's say. I get off at 5 o'clock, get home probably around like 30-40 minutes after 5. What you doing for the rest of them hours, bro? It's 24 hours in a day. I can record 3 videos in a day if I really wanted to. But what I do, I damn near record, what, 1 or 2 videos a day. I can record 3 if I really wanted to. Let's say I work the regular 9 to 5, get off, get home around like 5:40, you feel me? Get off around like 5:40. Come home, what you should do. First thing to come to your mind, get that session in, record. If you're a YouTuber, record. My supporters need me, record. Boom. Knock that out the way. You chilling for the rest of the afternoon. You don't gotta edit until you get ready to, right before you get ready to go to sleep, you know, upload on private and then drop. You feel me? Drop the next day. Upload a scheduled upload so that way it'll have a time frame and it'll drop without you even having to touch it. You could do that. For those of y'all who wondering how you do that, if you have the YouTube Studio app on your phone, while you're uploading, if you're uploading your phone or your computer, you can go to the YouTube Studio app while it's uploading quickly. Go click on the video that's uploading. It's going to pop up right there under the videos. Click on schedule, set a time frame for it, date and time where you want it to drop. And you got this, bro. How you think I'm able to upload almost every day? I work still. Long shifts, bro. I get off at midnight, damn near. What I'm doing, I'm recording 2 o'clock in the morning, grinding for y'all, doing this. So if you're a YouTuber and you watching my videos, There's no excuses, bro. You got this. You can do this. This YouTube ain't for everybody, but if you feel like you got a stepping ground and you got some point to prove, or you got some information that you feel like needs to be let off, or some stuff that you feel like the streets need to know, and that you got game for the streets, bro, let it out. Let it out, dog. Let it out, bro, because at the end of the day, it's just you and that camera, bro. That's all you talking to. You talking to you and that camera, and that's at the end of the day. If you ever feel shy. But in reality, you talking to your supporters. You talking to millions of people. No matter if millions of people watched it, you still talking to millions, trillions of people. You know how many people on YouTube? Getting up, grinding every day, making this a lifestyle. You don't want this to be a lifestyle, bro? YouTube is just a lifestyle, just as well as getting waves, bro. I'm off the little how to be elite topic, bro. I'm just talking in general. Just a motivational topic, bro. Y'all can do this. All I'm saying is, no matter what you're doing in life, even if you're not doing YouTube, bro, no matter what you're doing in life, get out there and strive to be the best, bro. Go hard or go home. Look, man, despite what everybody say, bro, who cares what they say about your wave? Despite what they say about your wave, who cares what that other person is saying? At the end of the day, you do you. You do you at the end of the day, bro. It's your head. This is what you want to do with your life, bro. You want to be a waver, you be a waver. Let somebody talk, they gonna talk because they hate. If you great, they gonna hate. What PB say? If you great, they gonna hate regardless, bro. Keep that mindset. Keep a motivated mindset, man. You know, the marathon continues. RP Nipsey Hussle, man. He always kept a motivated mindset, bro. So we gotta have a motivated. We gotta have a motivated mindset to feed these streets and whatever you doing, bro. If you listen to Nipsey and you support Nipsey Hussle, or you did while he was alive, have that motivated mindset to keep going, bro. Have the marathon continues. They don't have to have your marathon continue. Whatever marathon you running, like me, I'm running a marathon right now. I'm running on this YouTube. Keep it going, bro. Keep it going. You got a message. You got something. Whatever you doing, you got something special in you that you're doing to make you be that. But Rico the Waver. Go to the link down in the description and subscribe to my girl channel. Her videos will be coming soon, man. So make sure you go subscribe. If you support me, support her, bro. Because I'm going to be on that channel all the time. I'm always going to be on that channel. So if y'all ever want to see me outside of the wave videos, y'all going to see me over on her channel. Or tell your girl to go subscribe, bro. Videos coming soon, bro. Support the youth. It's your boy Rico. I'm out. Gang.